Hi guys, Stephanie Smith here with Worldwide RV here in Mesa. Right behind me is a beautiful Precept 36A. Perfect family coach. Couple of things that I really appreciate about it is the outside storage. It has pass-through storage. You can put an outside rug and it will fit all the way across. So you can put, tons of stuff if you want. But also it has a huge panoramic windshield. So it's 120 inches from corner to corner. And what that does is when you're driving it, the views are outstanding. A couple more things is this awning right above me here. Press a button, the awning comes out. It has LED lighting on it, as well as we have an outside TV, which is nice because when you're camping, I don't know about you guys, but I spend my time outside. So the most important thing though, with most families is what the inside looks like in the floor plan. So why don't we step inside and take a peek at this beauty. As you can see, we have stepped inside this beautiful Precept 36A, and I almost forgot to mention a very important part of this coach, which is the slides. This has 3 slide outs, and as you can see, the slides really make it very livable when you guys are, camping. Not to mention though, what is huge in my opinion is when the slides are closed, you can easily walk to the bathroom, walk to the fridge, even walk to the bedroom. So it's very versatile. You don't have to, limit yourselves where you're going when you guys are in transit, because most of the time people are going to be driving to different places and you want to make sure that you can get to the potty. The biggest thing that separates a Class C from a Class A is that you have the swivel seats. And I will point out that it's 6-way powered driver's seat for both the driver and the passenger, because a lot of times us women don't get gypped and we don't have the power seat. So those seats do swivel. It opens up your living area. You also have 750 pounds for your top bunk, which you can raise down, so you can fit 2 adults up there easily, and it's actually very comfortable. And then when you don't need it, it goes up, it's out of sight, out of mind. This couch here does make into a bed as well, and then you also have the booth back here that also makes into a bed. And then I will point out the kitchen area, you have solid surface countertops, as well as you have a 3-burner stove, a convection microwave, so that actually is a microwave and an oven. You can actually roast a chicken in there, or pizza, or bake. We also have a nice huge 12 cubic foot refrigerator. Moving on to the back, we have, has the bunks. And the bunks are rated for 300 pounds each. So again, easily you have 2 adult kids that can sleep back there. And I will point out that they do have their own TV. We also have 2 AC units in this. So you have one here, one in the bedroom. But the biggest thing about this coach, which I absolutely love, is that it has a bath and a half. So the kids can use one toilet, mom and dad have their own toilet. And that's all the way in the very back, and plus nice big huge shower for the family. And not to mention a king size bed. So mom and dad can go back there, have their privacy, kids could be all up front. It's just a perfect family coach. And then of course the best thing about this is the J-Ride Plus package. Come experience it for yourself. Come down, see me. I'll take you for a wonderful test drive. And we're not going to go around the block. We're going to go down the Salt River and have fun. This thing is going to drive the best. It's going to be the quietest ride, best handling that you can experience. Come to Jayco, come to Worldwide RV, folks. Let's do this and have fun.